Ex tiphupha ngawe ingxaki zami sidinga imali inyembezi zami zinegazi uyayazi bendingumntana bengayazi imeko yakho ngikhule ndibona imela yakho bengazithanda indlela zakho ndifuna indlela zakho ngoku ndiphupha imela yakho wena nikwazi nobunjani yakho indlela ibinegazi I remember he was black so kanibonise indlela ngoba ekasi siyaphela usekhona umezi uyabuza ubuya nini ngoba ukhumbule ezamini bebesithi ube imali bendifuna ukhuphe ekasi ngoba abantu abakuthandi bangakubulalela inyani you just never had a home maybe you just wanted love so they never understood what it meant to be alone it's like being in a cold and inyani uyayazi soloko njonge phansi ubungazithanda ichomi zami ubuzama unibonisa indlela namhlanje ngikhangela iphepha ubusebenzisa amayeza ukwazi uhamba ungena endlini ubuye uphethe imbiza singakuboni nasemini ndisazama ubambelela elami ithemba lanshiya nisapheka ngoku bayalihleba ingathi ndima uphethe imela ngcono bangandithembi nasebusuku ndingalali ngoba inxeba linegazi ngikhule ndizama ukunika imali lobu bungenabazali ndim besula igazi ichomi zakho zingenanyani ngoba ukhule unenkani ungenandlela okwenza imali ngoba isikili ubungasazi uhamba umosha abantu ingqondo yakho ingenalwazi uhamba usela amazi igama lakho alinanyani apha endlini besingalali bekuqonqoza abahlali yawa nge-ex sobe imali yabayazi ungene njani Ngene njani